Alright, we are looking at sort 31 in the blue book, and it's Latin roots, and these are the Latin roots we're going to be looking at this week. So, the meanings for those, when we see DIC, that means to say or speak, odd is to hear, and VIS is to see. We've actually seen both of these in vocab words, so that shouldn't come as a huge surprise. So we're going to take and break down a couple words that are in our sort, and then we'll continue on. So we have the word laudable in our sort, which has AUD or odd. However, the meaning of it is actually praiseworthy. It has nothing to do with AUD, so it's kind of an oddball because of that. Then we have unpredictable. Predict, we can see DIC's there, which is to say or speak, so it literally means to say beforehand. If we add on that able, predictable, think about how that changes the meaning. And then when we add that UN on, how does that change the meaning? Lastly, we have supervisor, which literally means to see above, or to look on from above. And that OR makes it a person that does, or a person or a thing that is doing this action. So this is literally a person who is looking on from above. So those are some of our words broken down. I'm sorting from kind of a different angle today, so just so you know, I'm going to put up our headings and then do our best to sort. And then in the end, I'll move it so it's not at an angle, and that way you can hopefully see all your words. Because at this angle, it's not impossible to see, but it's a little tricky. Okay, so we have, audition, which is obviously going to be under the odd. Again, green group, it's very important that you understand the meaning of your words, because that's what the sort is based on. So, really make sure if you have not heard of the word before that you're looking at. So that's edict, dictator, supervisor, dictionary. That one's to speak, but a dictionary doesn't talk, but it gives us words that we use when we talk. So that's where that comes from. Prediction, contradict, which contra means like to oppose or be the opposite of what was said. So that's contradict. Vision, visible, dictate. Again, some of these were our vocab words, so you've heard them before. Unpredictable, revisit, so to see again. Invisible, auditorium, vista, audible, audience. Also, if you don't understand some of the definitions even after looking them up, you can post on the thing on the post in Google Classroom for this week's words, and I can answer your questions. Audio visual, auditory, audio tape. Notice audio visual actually has both in it. It has VIS and audio, and that's because audio visual presentations are ones that use sound and images. Visitor, and somehow we have laudable twice. But again, that is our oddball for the week. So even though you don't have an oddball heading, you put that to the side as an oddball. Okay, so this is our final sort that you can copy down. Here, let me, there we go. So you can copy it down for later.